Hello everyone. The counseling team has put this video together for those of you who have chosen to take a dual enrollment course next year. Because these classes are College of the Desert courses, you'll have to apply to COD, and in this video we'll walk you through the application process. But a few things to know before we begin is that you will want to have an email address, preferably a personal one, that you check regularly, and you will also need your social security number. So to start, we'll want to go by going to College of the Desert's website. You'll want to enter collegeofthedesert.edu. It's going to take you to COD's page. You'll scroll down, find the green box, and click on it. It says Getting Started. Then you'll scroll down to the bottom of the page, find this red box that says Get Started Now. You'll click there, and then click on the next box that says Complete Online Application. Now this is going to take you to the CCCC website, California Community Colleges. This is the website that you use to apply to community colleges in the state of California. So in our video today, we're going to be creating the account for the first time. So click on that link. This is telling you that you must have an email address. Click on the blue box, Begin Creating My Account. It's going to ask you to enter your first name, middle name if you have one. If you don't, check this little box right here, indicating that you don't have one. Your last name. Then it's going to ask you to answer two questions, two yes or no's. The first one is, do you have a previous name, such as a maiden name? And the second one is, do you have a preferred name that is different from your legal and or previous name? Enter your birth date and confirm your birth date. Leave this checkbox marked as it is, and it says I plan to apply for admission to college. And here is where you're going to need your social security number. Some of you might have a taxpayer identification number, so if that's you, you can click there, or if you have a social, then you'll click there. You'll enter your social security number or your taxpayer identification number and repeat that. Now let's say in the case that you don't have a social security number, that's okay. You can click on this box right here. It says check this box if you do not have a social security number or taxpayer identification number, or decline to provide one at this time. From here, you'll want to click on continue, and it's going to take you to the second page. So here, enter your email address, repeat the email address, enter a phone number, and if you do authorize text messages to that phone number, leave this checkbox marked. Enter your home address, and then hit continue at the bottom, the little blue box. Then you'll be asked to create a username and a password. Please note that it says 7 to 20 characters for the password. It needs to have letters and at least one number. Also, you'll have to create a 4-digit PIN, so 4 numbers, and that's it. And then you'll be asked to select 3 security questions and answer those security questions. Once you've done that, you'll click this little box that says I am not a robot, and then the blue box, create my account. Then you'll see this page that says account created. So once you get that message, that's pretty good. This is going to give you your CCC ID. Now this is not your COD ID number, okay? So you're not done yet. When you hit continue, that's going to take you to the COD application. So at COD's application, you'll be here and you'll see this welcome. So for enrollment information, you're going to be applying to the fall 2020 term. Then the next one is educational goal. You'll scroll down and you'll look for complete credits for high school diploma or GED. Not clicking, there we go. Then you'll be asked to select an intended major or program of study. So if you already know what you want to study when you graduate from high school, you can select that. If you don't, it's okay. Select something you're interested in at the moment. For today, let's just go ahead and we'll do history. And then you'll hit continue. Then it's going to ask you to go over your account information. So you're going to review everything you entered in the CCC website. Sorry. And then we're going to come down, check all that information, all my fake information. So read the information carefully. And the cool thing here is it's going to ask you for your current mailing address. And if it's the same as the permanent address that you entered in OpenCCC, then you'll hit that box, hit continue. Oh, it says the issue. Oh. So to create a name for my parent, let's just say her name is Mary Gomez. My mom. Continue. It's going to ask you if this address is correct. That's Shadow High School's address. Address is correct. All right. So here under education, it's going to say college enrollment status. So for you, for dual enrollment, it's going to be enrolling in high school or lower grade and college at the same time. And the second one, high school education, it's going to already automatically populate will be enrolled in high school or lower grade. Okay, so you can't change that, it's okay. Last high school attended, you'll click on I attended high school. Keep the country United States of America. State is California. And then once you start typing in the name of your high school, so for us it's Shadow Hills, you'll see it'll pop down here. Click on that. And then it's going to ask you for high school transcript information. All right. So it's going to ask, have you completed the 11th grade? Some of you may have, some of you may not. So juniors, you're okay to hit yes if you're currently in your junior year and you're going to go into your senior year. And it's going to ask you for your unweighted high school GPA. You'll enter that. And if you need help with that, reach out to your counselor and we'll let you know what your cumulative GPA is as of now. Then it's going to ask you what your highest English course was. So either AP English or English composition or literature. And then for math, right, that's going to vary depending on your math levels. So click on the most appropriate math level. If you haven't completed 11th grade, it's okay. You just hit no, and you won't be asked to enter that information. Under college education, as of 8:30, you will not have a degree at that point. And then you can leave that none. Right, and then you just hit save or continue. And then go through the rest of the application. It's pretty doable. But if you do have any questions, please let us know. At the end of the application, you'll be asked to submit. Please read carefully at all the things that it's asking you to look over. Review your application, make sure you did everything correctly. Answer the questions as appropriately as possible. But if you have any questions at any given point, reach out to one of your counselors. We're here for you, and we'll help you as best as we can. Once you've submitted, you will get an email about 2 to 3 days or so with your COD ID number. Okay, and then you'll officially be a COD student, right? That's going to be ready to take a dual enrollment course next year. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Again, reach out to us if you need anything, and good luck.